did you escape? I had no idea until they let me go.
Wait, Grimble let you?
So dumb.
Were you followed?